What's going on, all my project car fans out there? Guess what showed up today? Super excited. It's the big one. It's the part that probably when I sent off stopped me from doing so much, and now it is here. It's this. It's my block. It's back from Darton. Look at that. It says Darton on it. Darton sleeves. I haven't even opened yet. I don't even know what it looks like, so I'm super excited. Thanks for joining me today. Of course, if you like what's going on today, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Either way, scissors, box. Let's do this. Oh, I said it's fragile, you know. It's French. Whatever, it says America right there. Woo! I'm excited. I can't even do this properly with holding the camera at the same time. Still new. So I sent this out July 17th, and it took 2 months. So if you're wondering why there hasn't been a project video in a while, it's because it took 2 months, and I'm not mad because I can't even open it correctly. Okay. You know, they tape it really well. All right, here we go. I have no idea what this is gonna look like. Ooh, look at all the fancy stickers. Sticker bomb. You know, it adds like 5 horsepower per sticker. We all know that. All right. We got some foam. All right, here we go. UPS boxes. Oh my God, more wrapping. You know what? I'm gonna put you down while I unwrap that. All right, I haven't pulled the green off yet, but here we go. Ooh! Look at that! Oh my gosh. That looks amazing. It's so pretty. Okay, so I'm not gonna take it out of the box. I know it's an unboxing, but I'm not gonna take it out because I'm not quite ready to do that yet. I don't really have a place to put it yet, but it's so clean. I mean, I can't even explain how that, just 1, 2, 3, 4, oh my God. You know what's going in here, right? Those beautiful Aries 11.5 to 1 compression pistons with some eagle rods. Ooh, block. I'm sorry, I've been wanting to do this for so many years. By the way, quite expensive, and no horsepower gain or anything, but reliability, that's where it's at. Yeah, the car kind of just sat for the last 2 months. So if you're wondering why there hasn't been any project right-hand drive videos, it's because it's been sitting. And when the block left, kind of felt like a part of the car was missing, but now it's back. Look at that. We gotta get back to the project car. I know, I'm just distracted, work, Disney World, you know? Supposed to go to Disney World in like 16 days. 16 days? Yeah, 16 days. Again. But I'm back to project car. The weather has calmed down. It's not as hot anymore. The garage was just too much. And been waiting on some camera gear to show up and Disney World. Yeah. So now let's go over to the garage where Project Dark Car, there we go. Project Car is. Hey buddy. Yeah, you can see it, windshield's removed. That was a mess, and it fit in the trash can too, which was awesome. And it's super rainy out today. It's one of the rainiest days we've had in a very long time. As you can see. Let's see if it goes. There we go. It's raining. Doors closed, windows removed. As you can see, there's still glass in there. I still got to get all that out and then clean up some more. It was quite the mess, and yeah, I got a piece of glass in my foot. So don't worry, I didn't bleed. It's just got in there. Fender, still working on that. Like I said, after I sent the block off, that was what, August or July 17th. Kind of lost motivation, which shouldn't happen. Shouldn't happen, no. But we're back again for like the 5th time now, and I have to fix and sand, rust, repair, you know, prime it, paint it, get it, and then I still have that. That's what I'm saying, like, there's a lot to do, and I kind of got distracted. Disney World, and now I'm back to the car. Got to get it done so we can go on that road trip across America or whatever we plan on do. Yoda has been very awesome, baby Yoda up there. He's been overwatching the car, but there's a lot of pieces, right? And I still got to clean all that up and still order pieces for that. You can see the trunk lid, all that. The hood's upstairs. The front bumper's right there. So there's still a lot to do. And I just kind of threw it to the side because I was so focused on going on a trip with my family to Disney World. But it was important, you know, spend that time with that family, take a break. But now I gotta spend time with my other family. So thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video of unboxing our beautiful Darton block. Look at this thing. Woo! If you did, please hit that like button. Of course, subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do, and you're gonna want to see the Darton block go in the car. So thanks for watching. I will see you next time.